and welcome new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. First up, we have these mushrooms with the velvety top. This one has that like the dark green, brown, and burgundy color. And then we have pumpkins, kind of the same velvety material. Then we have whatever yarn type or sweater type of material, pumpkins, and plain pumpkins. But coming up, you just can't wait. Make sure you're paying attention to what items is coming up next. Joe Boxer items. We have this charcoal infused scrubber gloves. Three main things includes charcoal to remove impurities, texturized to exfoliate, and foam boost material. These are the gloves. What's next is a bath proof with silicone scrubber for those who have like hard time holding the scrubbers with just the material. This has a silicone scrubbers to help you scrub, and they all have it charcoal infused. And this one is a body scrubber, and it has a little handle where you can put your hand in between and remove impurities, the foam boost. I was like, wow, Joe Boxer. Isn't that used to be a Kmart brand? And then we have the charcoal infused washcloth. Wow. And it stretches so it gets, your back. And then I found the body exfoliator. Wow. And it's kind of like a round sponge. So, it's different type. And then one more item from Joe. The beard grooming tool. It's a 3-in-1. Wow. Great items to make a basket for Christmas. We have the infamous soap. And first up, we have the calendula. Then we have green tea. Ooh, all by Very Soft. You see those 4 bars. Sorry, I do pick it up. Sea Minerals. And last but not least, of course, we have pink grapefruit, and they're vegan friendly. This is a wow, hyaluronic acid one shot ample mask. It's one shot care. A hyaluronic acid ample mask containing a bottle of hyaluronic acid ample to hydrate skin, not just a drop, a whole bottle of ample in a single sheet mask. Wow. My Dollar Tree finally gets the other item to the power stick for her item. This is the shower gel Brazilian mist with notes of pistachio and salted caramel, and it's 16 fluid ounces. We have LA Colors Sweet Lip Shop, and see some of the sugar, the different kind of shimmer. We have the jelly gloss. Wow, sounds delicious for your lips. We have dishwasher packs, 2-in-1 action packs with grease fighting power, improved formula, 35 packs, fast acting improved formula, just reading off, with Hydro Clean action, powers away unseen residue, rinse away cleanly. I know some people use these with those spin mops. They use their pods for when they want to mop their floor. So this is a cheaper way of using pods. Use Dollar Trees instead of your expensive pods. Instant cold compress. Whenever instant cold therapy is required. Fast relief for arthritis, bruises, sprains, strains, backaches, headaches. But I do want to let you know it is a one-time use only item. So, but this would be great to keep in your first aid kits in case of emergency. Wow, we have the Junior Mints Premium Hot Chocolate and the Tootsie Roll Premium Hot Chocolate in the 3 single serve cups. Awesome, great to have fall. Winter is coming up, and if your children like these type of hot cocoa, it'll be easy cleanup, great to have. Sit around that tree and sip a little hot chocolate. We have the storage bag. I believe it was last week I showed you the one was more of a square shape, and this one is a rectangle, so it's a little longer but not as deep. It is 29.53 by 15.75 by 5.91, and it's perfect for like sweaters, shirts, slacks. You can slide it under your bed. If you want to get rid of your summer clothes, put them away and bring out your fall and winter clothes. Great item to have by Closet Essentials. Only $1.25. Plus, it's the thick plastic. It's not the cloth ones. The cloth ones, I bought a few of those and they tend to actually rip. So this is a little thicker plastic. So give it a try. Try this one and see if you like it or not. I thought I would open it up and show you what it looks like. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so I'm gonna have to stop for a second. And now that's what it's like. Open up, you can see the thickness of the plastic and what it looks like. It's a little thicker than the material. So still up to you to decide. Now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. It may include 1, 2, or even more Dollar Plus items for you to enjoy. Squishy cheese block. Awesome. You see it? You see it. I think this would be a great little Christmas or birthday gift. And it even has a little, you can try it in the center and you can see it feels different. I like it. I like it. And it didn't say if it was $5 or $3, and I didn't scan it. Wow, Dollar Tree has wrapping paper already, but it's not the $1.25 wrapping paper. They only had $3 wrapping paper and $5 wrapping paper. See this craft type material paper with the Santa Claus and the leaves, mistletoe. I really like the one with the red truck. And I was thinking maybe I should buy it. And I was thinking I'm going to try Dollar General and see if their prices are even cheaper or about the same if I get a chance. These are $5. They have the variety, the plaid, and these are $3. I know it ain't up too close, but they were more or less kind of the same. But they do have more, I think, wrapping paper than the $1.25 paper usually has. So I don't know. Should I go back and get it now or should I wait? And last but certainly not least, we have these $3 Dunkin' iced coffees in 5 different flavors. Actually, 4, sorry, 4 different flavors. The original, mocha, French vanilla, and caramel. I haven't tried any of these yet. If you have, let me know in the comment section down below. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification. Please comment. I would love to hear from you guys. I want to know who's watching. I know I don't get many comments on my videos, but I would like to see who's out there. And just if you even give this a thumbs up or a happy face, smiley face, or even a teardrop, just something to signal to me that you're out there. Like I always say, be blessed. Until the next time. and be better than yesterday. Plus, go watch all my videos. Thanks.